Hey, what's up my friend? It's your guy from Toolbox Tutorials back again. And today I got something super exciting for you. We are diving straight into how to remove watermark in Canva. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you go to your uploads, you select the photo you want to upload it, or you have already uploaded it. So you expand it a little bit and you do edit. You press edit button and here you have magic eraser. You press it and you just erase what you want to remove from the photo. Let's try it. And here you go, watermark completely gone. So if you want to do it here also, you can do it here. Press erase and as you can see, the watermark is completely gone. So I hope I helped you and see you next time, guys.